welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you my January setup. I know this is a long overdue one since it's almost the end of the month, but I still want to share with you my setup since I really enjoyed this month's theme. Anyways, I have all my drafts laid out already on my Procreate for easier reference of what I'm doing. But yeah, I'll keep this intro short and talk to you in subtitles since I really want you to feel the full process of the painting and just feel relaxed while watching this part of the clip. So yeah, enjoy! I'm really happy with how this painting turned out. I know it's not exactly like the one in the photo, but that's okay. I am still satisfied with it, and I hope you were able to recreate it in your own way. And hey, if you have any tips, feel free to leave it in the comments below. So the theme that I'm going for in this video is a brand new beginning, which is why I painted a sunrise photo that I took when I was walking my dog. It seems fitting for January since it signifies a brand new day, which is what January is actually, a brand new start of the year. So yeah, everything seems to fit with each other. But yeah, I did a very simple overall look for my January setup and just made this painting the highlight of all my spreads or the inspiration for all the spreads. So yeah, um, here is the final look for my cover page. Now moving on to my monthly setup, again with my Polaroid photos. I did change this up on my final flip through, but I still left it in this clip just in case any of you are interested with this layout. But basically what I did here is pretty much the same as the one that I did for my cover page. I drew a Polaroid PNG on top of the painting and erase the rest that is not on top of the or on the bottom of the Polaroid. So yeah, that's pretty easy to do. When I was actually laying it out on my good note spread, I felt that something is still missing, so I changed it up a bit. I'm not really sure if I'm happy with the changed look. I'm really happy with both of the designs, but yeah, I don't know. You tell me in the comment section below what do you guys prefer more. Yes, it took me 2 full days to finish my January setup because the painting took me, I think, 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and yeah, it's very time consuming. So it took me 2 days, and the only lighting that I use when filming is the natural lighting, which is why you've seen from the previous clip that the light is becoming darker. I can't use the fluorescent light since it will flash into the iPad screen. So yeah, that's just my excuse. Anyways, let's go to our final spread that we are tackling which is my weekly spread. For my weekly spread, I challenge myself to create a digital Dutch door, which is pretty much a page cut in half to give easy access for the page behind it. So it's very simple. All I did was first create a page by drawing a rectangle with the size half of the page that I have on my journal, and then blending the page at the bottom, making it look like a flipped page. And yeah, after that, on a layer below it, I will add a black line and use the Gaussian blur to make it seem 2D. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. You can play with the color of the pages like I did, and you're all set. That's pretty much it. It's very easy. You'd think it's difficult, but it's not. So yeah, again, this is me proving that what you can do in your paper journal, you can do in your digital journal as well. So yeah, enjoy your Dutch doors. I actually want to create different kinds of Dutch doors in my future monthly setup. So please let me know if you want to see more of those, and also add in the themes that you are interested to see in the future. So yeah, it will be easier for me to create something that you guys want to see already. finished the design for my weekly spread. I just added a few more Polaroids, but this time with the actual photo that drew inspiration with this setup. I also added a drawing at the right side of my weekly spread, which is a sun with a big blue sky background. I was leaning towards black background because it looked good with the drawing or the color contrast, but I decided to just turn it blue since it easily seemed like a morning sky. That pretty much finishes my whole setup. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. It will very much help me a lot. And also leave a comment down below, and please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, always remember, stay safe, stay creative, stay you. Virtual hugs and kisses. Bye, friends.